Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and this is the latest Windows machine from Huawei, called the MateBook 13, which is very much a light version of the MateBook X Pro that launched last year. This is released predominantly to offer a cheaper alternative to the Dell XPS and Lenovo Yoga laptops of the world. It's built from aluminium, weighs about 1.3 kilos, and has a 3:2 ratio 13-inch 2160 by 1440 resolution IPS touchscreen on it. The case has some attractive rounded corners, and while not as slim as the Pro X, the bezels on the screen are still fairly minimal. You'll also notice there's a generously proportioned multi-touch trackpad and a keyboard that virtually spreads from one side of the laptop to the other, similar to the 12-inch MacBook. Plus, it has a fingerprint sensor built in too. Inside, you'll get the option to equip it with an 8th gen Intel Core i7 or i5 processor, as well as either 256GB or 512GB of solid-state storage. What's more, there's 8GB of RAM as standard, with sound provided by Dolby Atmos. Huawei claims up to 10 hours of battery life, which is great if that's what you get in real life. To charge it up, there's a 65-watt charger to top it up pretty rapidly when it needs it. It's launching on January 29th in the US, with the UK launch following shortly after. Pricing starts at $999, with the more powerful i7 model with 512GB of storage costing $1,299. And it ships with 1 year of Office 365 and a dongle for expanding the connections. We're looking forward to spending more time with it when it launches. I've been Cam. I'll see you again soon.